Yeah, man. Another creation. Coming up next. For real, for real. You not work that motherfucker? You not work that motherfucker? Yeah, what's up, man? Nah, for real. Put nigga ass in the put nigga ass in the last. Nigga burn rubber and be out of there.
Bitch coming straight up.
On my life.
Him ain't got enough pressure.
Man, on my life. Yeah, man. Still there. You know what it is. Yeah, man, you gotta show me something with the other motherfucker, man. You gotta show me something with the other motherfucker, man. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? You gotta show some niggas some of this old Koomlaude spot,
yeah,
man.
You know
Goddamn,
man.
You gotta.
That's carburetor. We need to LS that bitch.
You know what I'm saying? Gotta show a nigga something with this motherfucker though, man. This going on the tube. He going on the tube. Nah, I don't wanna hear it. I don't wanna hear it. You gotta make this motherfucker do something. Gotta make that motherfucker do something.
Man, you know your shit. Hey, you know you ain't give me no tube.
You gotta let me see something.
You know you ain't give me no tube.
I know it. Did before the tune though. Did before the Koomlaude tune. Got to put that on. Yeah, man, that bitch still gonna do something.
We got to do that, man. You wanna check? I need to let little transmission fluid.
That motherfucker positive like a bitch though.
What is it? One time pulling?
Nah, that bitch too.
Oh,
That
two.
bitch positive though.
Two, please.
I ain't think that bitch was positive.
Somebody get shabby,
Surprise me. Now I need to tune that though. Need to tune that bitch now.
though. Come on, go take it to my mama. Just so you know what I'm saying? What else? What you gonna need? Ain't that bitch low.
Yeah. See, man, goddamn me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Going with Cam now.
Yeah. Can that bitch up on my life? That bitch gonna be stupid. Motherfuckers shifting through good. Good and perfect. Just need to tune this motherfucker now. That's it. This bitch a park or not? Oh, that bitch is a park. Man, it bitch so.
Gotta work it
That
away.
bitch, hell nah, it been hard to bit to work that motherfucker. Yeah, it been in the tone. That's
That's
it.
what it is.
Yeah. Once nigga do that shit, that's it. It been running good. That bitch shifting good. The motherfucker though.
Oh, that clicking I just heard? That's probably front end.
Yeah, it's front end shit. Yeah. It is a little
It's
suspicious.
sitting like it's sitting on folds and that big got facts on it when you was going up the street.
Of my life.
Time to
Yeah,
redo
man.
the shock, shawty.
Yes, sir. We do the suspension, tuner, and suspension. We good.
Yeah.
We ready to goddamn do circles in that bitch.
Yeah. We gonna pull up and Como first, that niggas up over there.
Nah, for real.
I ain't gonna fuck apology because that's your hood, man. I fuck with you, but
Yeah.
y'all baby lucky y'all got Koomlaude on y'all side.
Man,
Y'all
my
can
life.
fuck y'all ass up too.
Oh my life, you and Polly, you good for sure, man. You know what I'm
We'll
talking
get y'all the pass over there, man.
about? Koomlaude, man. YouTube, man. Y'all know what it is, man.